This is the default start page of Cognos Analytics, and we will see now how we can customize this page to our liking. First, at the top, we can see that we have this image here, and I will immediately close this image. I will turn it off by clicking on this X button, and I will confirm with OK. I don't need it. Now, if I want to turn on that image again, I would have to go to Personal menu, then to Profile and Settings, then to Settings tab, and here I have option Welcome Banner, but I will turn it off. Below that image, we have these buttons or tiles, and they cannot be hidden forever. We can only temporarily hide them by clicking on this chevron button. Because if we open Cognos in a new tab, these tiles will reappear again, so there is no point in hiding them, so I will just leave them visible. At the bottom, we have these two tabs. Now, much more useful tab is this second tab, so I will click on the Recent tab, and here we can see a list of all the reports and dashboards that we have worked recently. And this is, I think, the most useful look that start page of Cognos can have. Now we can further customize this look. For example, this button here allows us to change the sort order of our reports. We can sort our reports by name, for example, I will leave them sorted by the time of modification. This second button is for height of these lines that we can see in a list. So we can change height of our lines to short or to compact, but I will leave them as default. And then we can see our reports as a list, or we can see them as a tiles. For example, if I click here, we can see tiles instead of list, but I will turn back to list presentation. When we select some of these reports, like checking this checkbox, we will get this blue menu. And in this blue menu, we have this button here, Remove from Recent. By using this button, we can remove this report from the list, and we remove our report. We also have this menu here. So these three dots will open Action menu. I will click here, and in this Action menu, we have the most important options for our report. Now, in top right corner, we have this search field. This search field is used for searching for some reports or dashboards. On the left side, we have this button. I've been calling this Analytics with Watson. This is Home button, and this button will bring us back to start page wherever we are. Now, the most important menu in all of the Cognos is the menu that we can open by clicking on this hamburger button. When I click here, we will get this menu. First option in this menu is actually again a Home button. Then we have a New button. New button will open a sub-menu, and this sub-menu we have options to create a new dashboard or report. Upload data is used if we want to upload some CSV data or Excel files into Cognos. Content will lead us to one other part of Cognos. This is the part of Cognos where all of the reports and dashboards and explorations are stored. Now we can go back to start page just by clicking on our Home button. So I will click here, and we will return back to our start page. In hamburger menu, we also have this recent submenu. This recent submenu has the same reports as the start page, and we have this button manage that is only available to users with administrator rights.